Welcome to consumr.ai. Let's learn how to run a standard focus group with AI twins, built on proven research frameworks. Every research study starts in the calendar. This is where you'll launch your standard meeting, just like every other session on consumr.ai. Click New Events to begin. This kicks off the wizard that walks you into qualitative research and then into focus groups. Next, click New Research Study. This opens the full menu of research types available inside consumr.ai. Now select the Qual card. This separates qualitative from quantitative, so you enter the right workflow from the start. Within Qual, choose Focus Groups. You'll find 3 formats here, each built for a different kind of conversation. Standard Meetings runs on pre-built research templates, battle-tested frameworks for brand perception, consumer needs, and purchase barriers, without having to design the study yourself. Click the drop-down to pick your objective. Choose the research goal that matches your business question, whether that's brand perception, category exploration, or barrier analysis. Once your objective is set, consumr.ai auto-generates a focus group questionnaire. Edit, refine, or delete anything that doesn't fit. You can add your own questions to the mix, or hit Recommend More for additional suggestions calibrated to your objective. This is the magic of standard meetings. Decades of qualitative research methodology, compressed into a workflow that takes minutes, not weeks. Now pick the AI twins for your focus group. These are pre-modeled consumer segments built from real behavioral and demographic data. You can choose twins manually if you know your panel, or click Recommend, and the engine picks the right mix for your objective. Click Create Plan to finalize your setup. consumr.ai assembles your questions, your panel, and your framework into a session ready to launch. Click View. All to see the questioning plan for every twin, full transparency into how each participant will be engaged across the session. Now launch the focus group. Your AI twin panel runs the session in parallel, capturing structured conversational feedback at scale. Watch sentiment unfold live as the conversation happens. Reactions, opinions, and attitudes surface in real time across your panel. When the session ends, consumr.ai delivers a structured insight report, raw transcripts, already translated into clear themes and strategic recommendations. The report comes packaged in multiple formats, ready to share across your brand, marketing, and product teams. Inside categorical views, click the Word Cloud tab. It surfaces the recurring language and dominant themes from your focus group instantly. You'll also find detailed affinity diagrams. They cluster related insights into themes, helping you see how individual reactions connect into broader patterns. And empathy maps showing what consumers say, think, and feel. A classic qualitative output, generated automatically from your twin panel. Switch to timeline views for a customer journey map. Trace exactly how consumers move through awareness, consideration, and purchase. You can even pull up a day-in-the-life view. The daily routines and friction points that shape how your audience engages with your category. That's a wrap. To learn more, head over to consumr.ai or check out our latest release notes. Thanks for watching.